All right, so this one right here is where your gasoline is. Your gas tank to actually fill up another vehicle. So if you had an ATV, you had a motorcycle, you have a golf cart that's on gasoline, or another car, you can use the gasoline from this tank and fill it up inside here. Your pump's right in there. Probably most likely won't use that, but it is an option. This next one is actually locked. We don't use anything inside there. This one here just says gasoline. This is where your tank is for your gasoline to fill up your gas tank. Just takes unleaded regular gasoline. Through here you got your electrical power. So right now this is set up on a 50 amp. This is a 50 amp breaker right here. You're gonna take this, you're gonna unscrew this right here. It's gonna create a hole. You're gonna put this down through and then you'll plug it into your permanent power over here. Again, this is a 50 amp on here. We have reducers that reduce it down from a 50 amp. So this you got your 50 amp. This 50 amp goes into here, reduces it down to a 30 amp. Sorry, there we go. Down to a 30 amp. This will go into a 30 amp. Now, if you wanted to go from a 30 amp down to just a regular plug, you can do that as well by hooking these two together. Ideally, you'll want to get a 50 amp service because that'll